Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the new free FAB assets available until January 13th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So we got the Sci-Fi Mega Spike-In by Protofactor. I have a few of his assets already. I've done a review on his like Cyber Robo Dog or something. Really cool looking assets, and it does come fully animated. And then we also have the Sci-Fi Corridor by Polyart 3D, very popular channel. And wow, this looks amazing. I'm really excited to get into this. Looks very stylized, and yeah, this is just the kind of art that I really like. We have the Ancient Temple Ruins by Rasmus, and I'll open it in Unreal Engine in just a second. All right, so the first one we're going to be going over is the Ancient Temple Ruins. So it does look pretty HD. It looks really nice. There's beautiful foliage, sun rays coming down. It looks very misty and a little spooky, honestly. If you ask me, it kind of feels like it would be a little hard to see any mobs or anything, but it is really cool. It does give it a very nice atmospheric vibe. You can see the ruins kind of floating out in the open down there. And there's just huge mountains, just huge structures, just kind of just going straight up, honestly. And then let's go ahead and see. We had got some nice fire, lots of stones, kind of looking like a jade palace. So let's go ahead inside, and yes, this is giving me like the mummy vibes or something. We got some nice fog down there, or I guess water. It does look very wavy. We got these huge steps, which I didn't even see. And then we have this door. This kind of looks like this one horror game. I honestly forgot the name of it, but you kind of just travel these ruins, and I think it's like an Egyptian ruin-based game. But yeah, overall, really cool assets. You can see how these are pieced together in this foliage, making it a really nice, crispy looking area. We got these giant plants. Holy crap. Next up is the Low Poly Corridor by Polyart. So there are different materials and different scenes. So we're going to go over all four. So over here, we have this kind of orange and black themed with just a lot of smoke going through. And then we have this very futuristic looking lab with just a lot of electricity effects everywhere. And then in here, we kind of have these like little cool hologram orbs. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out the next one. This lab is giving more steampunk vibes, and they are pretty low poly. These pretty much loaded in for me instantly. And then for the final map, we kind of have this tilted level. As you can see, everything kind of looks like it's breaking apart. We got sparks coming down from the ceiling. And let's see if we can go this way. Yeah, so there's another more red level over here. And now let's go ahead and check out the next asset. So this is the Mega Spike-In. Let me actually go ahead and hit play. So it does come fully animated. These are some huge, this looks like a giant boss, honestly. And then we got these kind of like shooting venom type of animation, as well as falling claw. You can see how slow motion it is. It is just because it is a really big character. Like if you were to fight it in a first person, you can kind of see how tall it is. Looks like a giant crazy frog, honestly. And then we got its movement animations, idle animations, turn animations, and so on, just on loop. A bunch of different types of attacks, and yeah. And that pretty much covers this 2 weeks FABs assets. Let me know what assets you like and if you thought these were pretty good this week. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for all my Patreons for supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.